Ready, player one. Ready, player two. Fight. Player two wins.
Let's get over here. Well, that was weird. What was that? This was nothing? Wait. What is that?
Jack!
Dad, what is it?
Well, Jack, there's some type of creature outside. I don't know what it is. I didn't get a good look at it, but it did manage to chase me into the house. Anyways, I grabbed these two blasters on the way in. I didn't have enough time to go to the garage to grab our more powerful ones, but hopefully these will do the trick. Here, catch.
Alright, Dad. Let's take this
sounds like the creature's in the house now.
Well, I guess we have to go check it out.
Alright, let's do it. Jack, do you hear that?
Yeah, I think the creature sounded.
Yeah, I think he might be down here too. Wait, Jack, I think he's over there. Fire! Wait, Jack, this way now. Where'd it go? Jack, over here. Go, 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 fire, fire. Jack, I think it moved again. Do you see it anywhere?
No, I think it's too quick.
Yeah, dude, I think you're right. Quick, let's head upstairs. Go, 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 go. Hey, Jack, so we need to get into my room, okay? Alright, good. The chest is still in here. What we need to stop this creature is going to be in there. Let's do it. Good. So the answer to our problem is right in here. Will you do me the honors and open up the chest? Alright, let's do it. Sweet. Take out that blaster. This here, I like to call this bad boy the Cricket. While it's small, it's very powerful. So we might not be able to see this creature or even hit it. But maybe if we shoot it in the right direction, it'll scare the creature off. And well, we can live another day. Are you ready for this? Alright. Now, I have one shot left in this blaster. So maybe one of us can distract it and the other one will take the shot with this. What do you want to do?
Shot stick.
We'll take the shot with the Cricket? Alright. Let's do this. J-Team pound it. Let's get this creature out of our house. Jack, do you see or hear it at all?
No, it's quiet.
Yeah, it's a little too quiet. Alright, let's go. Wait, Jack, it's over there. We're holding fire for now. Jack, I don't know where this thing went. And I'm all out of ammo. All we got left is that Cricket, okay? So we're gonna make sure it counts. Jack, do you see the creature anywhere?
No.
Like, where did it go? Wait, do you hear that? Jack, I think it's go over there. Quick, take a shot. Did you get it? I wish we could see it. Well, Jack, it looks like you scared it off, dude. I'm not sure if you hit it or not, but at least it's out of our house. And I'm sure we'll be back. But we'll be ready, right? Because we're the J-Team. J-Team pound it.
Pound it.
Yeah.